Hi students, in definite integration, look at this problem. If f of x equal to modulus x plus modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x minus 2, then show that integral 0 to 3 f of x dx equal to 19 by 2. So what is given here? Integral 0 to 3 f of x dx equal to integral 0 to 3. What is f of x here? Mod x plus mod x minus 1 mod x minus 2 dx. Now split the integration. Integral 0 to 3 mod x dx plus integral 0 to 3 mod x minus 1 dx integral 0 to 3 mod x minus 2 dx. Okay. Now there is no stationary value here, 0, so it remains as it is, no splitting. But here what is the stationary point? 1. So this integration can be written as 0 to 1 mod x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 3, because what is the stationary point here? 1. So integral 0 to 1 and 1 to 3 plus here what is the stationary point? 2. So how can we split that? 0 to 2 mod x minus 2 dx, 0 to 2, next 2 to 3 mod x minus 2 dx. Okay. So how do we calculate now? Modulus functions. Between 0 and 3, mod x is always positive, right? So I can write x dx. Between 0 to 3, modulus x is always positive. So when x is positive, modulus x is x. Between 0 and 1, mod x minus 1 will be less than 0, x less than 1. So mod x minus 1 will be minus of x minus 1. So I can write 1 minus x dx. Between 1 to 3, between 1 to 3, mod x minus 1 will be x minus 1, same. Okay. Plus between 0 and 2, we have mod x minus 2 will be negative, 0 to 2. So x 2 minus x I can write. Modulus x minus 2 will be minus of x minus 2. So 2 minus x dx plus integral 2 to 3. This can be positive. Okay. So how do we calculate the integration here? What is the integration of x? X square by 2, 3 0 plus here x minus x square by 2. Limits are from 1 0. This is x square by 2 minus x. One integration is x plus 2 integration is 2x. X integration is x square by 2. Limits are from 2 to 0, 0 to 2 plus here x square by 2 minus 2x. Limits 3 to. Substitute. So what do you get answer now? Upper limit 3, 3 square 9, 9 by 2 minus 0. Okay. Plus here what is the upper limit? 1 minus 1 by 2. Lower limit becomes 0 plus 3 square 9 by 2 minus 3 minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 plus this will be 2 2s are 4 minus 2 square 4 by 2 means 2 0 remaining plus 3 square 9 by 2 minus 2 3s are 6 minus of 4 by 2 means 2 2 2s are 4. So let us simplify this. So how do we get now? 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. 3 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 4 minus 2. 2 plus 9 minus 12. 9 minus 9 minus 12. 6 2s are 12. 9 minus 12 means minus 3 by 2 minus 2 means plus 2. Minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Okay? That equal to 9 by 2, 1 by 2, 10 by 2, 13 by 2, 14 by 2, 14 by 2, 14 minus 3, 11 by 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. That equal to 11 plus 8, 19 by 2. Therefore answer is 19 upon 2. That is the final answer. Okay? That is the end of solution. Let us see one more problem. Second question. What is second one? If f of x equal to modulus x minus 1 plus modulus x minus 2 plus modulus x minus 3, then find integral 1 to 4. Then find integral 1 to 4 f of x dx. So limits are from 1 to 4. Okay? Limits are from 1 to 4. So integral 1 to 4 f of x dx equal to integral 1 to 4. What is f of x here? X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 dx. Okay? Now split integration 1 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx, 1 to 4 mod x minus 2 dx plus 1 to 4 mod x minus 3 dx. Okay? So here what is the stationary point? Only 1 is there. So it starts from 1. So it remains as it is, mod x minus 1 dx plus here what is the stationary point? 2. 1 to 2 mod x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 4 mod x minus 2 dx plus between 1 and 4 we have 3. So integral 1 to 3 mod x minus 3 dx plus 3 to 4 mod x minus 3 dx. So those are the integrations. So between 1 and 4 mod x minus 1 is always positive. So we write integral 1 to 4 x minus 1 as it is dx plus between 1 and 2 this will be negative. So this will be 2 minus x dx. Whatever number we keep between 1 and 2, we get mod x minus 2 is negative. Because mod x minus 2 is positive if x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 2. Okay? That will be minus of x minus 2 if x minus 2 is less than 0, x less than 2. So here x value is less than 2. That's why I am taking negative. Modulus x minus 2 will be negative. So between 2 to 4, x value will be more than 2. So more than 2 means what should we write? Mod x minus 2 is x minus 2 as it is. Plus. Similarly, same. Between 1 and 3, modulus x minus 3 will be minus of x minus 3. Okay? So I can write 3 minus x dx. Plus between 3 and 4, mod x minus 3 will be x minus 3 only. Because x value below 4. Okay? So how do we write integration now? X integration is x square by 2 minus x. Limits are from 4 1. Here 2x minus x square by 2. Limits are from 2 1. X square by 2 minus 2x. Limits are from 4 2. 3x minus x square by 2. Limits are from 3 1. X integration is x square by 2 minus 3x. 4 and 3. Now simplify. Okay. Now first I will put 4. 4 square means 16 by 2. 8 minus 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 by 2 means 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 square 16 by 2 means 8 minus 8 minus of 2 square 4 by 2 means 2 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 1 upon 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 square by 2 means 9 by 2 minus of 3 minus 1 upon 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. 3 square means 9 by 2 plus 9 minus 9 by 2 minus of 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, now I will put 4 here. 4 square by 2, 16 by 2 means 8 minus 12 minus of 9 by 2 minus 3 3s are 9. Let us see this. Eight minus 4, 4. Minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. This will be 0. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. 18 minus 9 means plus 9 by 2 minus 6 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 4. 9 minus 18 minus 9 by 2 means plus 9 by 2. So see, 9 by 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 18 by 2. 18 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 13 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 10 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 11 by 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 19 by 2. Therefore, answer is 19 upon 2. That is the end of solution. Right? Let us see one more problem in the next class. Thank you.